morning. Everyone turn on your camera. Exam എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? എല്ലാവരും എഴുതിയോ? How was the exam? Akshit. അക്ഷിതിനോട് തന്നെ എക്സാം എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? അൺമ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യും.
മൈക്ക് വർക്കിംഗ് ഇല്ല.
ഓക്കെ. വൈഷ്ണവിന് എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു?
കറണ്ട് പോയിരുന്നു ഒരു അരമണിക്കൂറോളം. അപ്പോ ആ ഗ്യാപ്പിലൊന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ടൈം പൊയ്ക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. മാത്സ് എക്സാമിന്റെ സമയത്ത് കുറച്ച് പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. GAT കുഴപ്പമില്ലായിരുന്നു.
അപ്സര. എക്സാം എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു?
കുഴപ്പമില്ല. മാത്സ് ടഫ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. GAT കറണ്ട് ഇതുപോലെ പോയിണ്ടായിരുന്നു. GAT
റിസൾട്ട് നാളെ പറയാട്ടോ. ഇന്നലെ നൈറ്റ് കുറച്ച് പേർക്ക് ഇഷ്യൂ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ ഇന്ന് റിസൾട്ട് എടുത്തിട്ട് നാളെ മോർണിംഗ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പറയാം. എനിവേ, everyone turn on your camera. We can start. Can you see the PDF? Can you see the PDF? Yes. Read the question carefully. Question number 1. The smallest integer, this is 2024 alla, 2021 ile paper aanu ട്ടോ. Smallest positive integer n for which 1 minus I by 1 plus I the whole power n square is equal to 1. Very easy question. എല്ലാവരും ചെയ്യൂ. First you have to find what is 1 minus I by 1 plus I. One minus I by 1 plus I is what? We have to multiply with its conjugate. 1 minus I on numerator and denominator. First you have to standard the given value. That is 1 minus I the whole square divided by A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. Now solve. What is 1 minus I the whole square, Shraddha?
1 square minus 2 into I plus I square.
I square. Value kandupidikku. Using the identity 1 minus I the whole square. 1 square minus 2I plus I square divided by 1 minus of I square. That is 1 minus of minus 1. Plus I square and plus 1 cancel. Minus 2I by 2. That is answer minus I. Minus I. Now given that the whole raised to n square, so minus I the whole raised to n square is 1. 1 can be written as what? I raised to 4. 1 can be written as I raised to 4 or minus I raised to 4. So we can compare. I raised to 4 is 1 and minus I the whole raised to 4 is also 1. So we can compare with the power n square is equal to 4, n equal to 2. Positive integer, that is n is equal to 2. Clear? Everyone, is it clear?
Yes.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആർക്കും മൈക്ക് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യില്ലേ? അൺമ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് സംസാരിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നവര് റെസ്പോണ്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ? Just solving matram. 1 minus I by 1 plus I. First we have to solve. That means we have to multiply with its conjugate on numerator and denominator. Conjugate means denominator and the 1 plus I the conjugate 1 minus I. And we get 1 minus I the whole square by on the denominator, that is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. So using the identity a minus b the whole square, 1 minus 2i plus I square divided by 1 minus of minus 1. That is we get minus I. Given that the quantity raised to n square is 1. So minus I raised to n square is 1. We know that I raised to 4 is 1. Also minus I the whole raised to 4 is 1. So we can compare. N square is equal to 4. That means n is equal to plus or minus 2. But here question is find the positive integer. Clear?
Okay, teacher.
Everyone, is it clear? Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Next question. The value of x satisfying the equation log sin x to the base cos x. Log sin x to the base cos x equal to 1. Just try. Log sin x. കേട്ടില്ല.
Option C ആണോ?
Pi by 4, right. എങ്ങനെയാ ചെയ്തത് വൈഷ്ണവി?
മാം cos log cos sin x to the base cos x 1 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ cos whole raised to 1 equal to sin x ആയിരിക്കും. Cos x is equal to sin x only pi by 4 നല്ലേ?
Right. Log sin x to the base cos x equal to 1 means cos x raised to 1 equal to sin x. That means cos x is equal to sin x. It is in between. X lies in between 0 and pi by 2. We know that only 45 degree. X satisfy only 45 degree. That is means option C. Or you can solve by sin x by cos x is equal to 1, tan x equal to 1. That also implies x is equal to pi by 4. Clear?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Next question. If delta is the value of the determinant, then what is the value of the following determinant? Everyone, try to answer you. Given that determinant A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, equal to delta. We need to find the value of determinant PA1, PA2, PA3, B1, B2, B3, QC1, QC2, and QC3.
Ma'am, option D.
Option
D. PQ.
D is the right answer. Correct. Where are you going to? Okay, Parvati. Nia, Ritika, Rango, Kitio.
Yes, yes.
First, we have to take outside P from the first column. We can take P from the first column and Q from the third column. That is PQ into A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. That is PQ into delta. It's very easy. Next question. 2021 if C0, C1, C2, Cn are the coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x the whole raised to n, what is the value of C1, C2, C3, etc. up to Cn? C1 means NC1 NC1. C2 means NC2. Find the answer.
Option B.
Option B, correct. We know that NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 etc. up to NCn equal to 2 raised to n. This is the standard formula. Sum of binomial coefficients. And from here, NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 etc. up to NCn equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. NC0 is 1. Can carry to the right side. Two raised to n minus 1. Next question. If A plus B plus C equal to 4, AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0, then what is the value of the following determinant? Solve. Try cheyu ellavarum. Given that determinant ABC, BCA, CAB. This is a cyclic order determinant. What is the value for this equation? Determinant. ABC, BCA, CAB. Okay. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും കിട്ടിയോ? Anyone? വൈഷ്ണവി
No, miss.
കിട്ടിയോ?
No, miss.
No. Listen. Determinant A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B equal to. Then we have to find. First, we can apply column operation. C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. That means A plus B plus C, B, C, also A plus B plus C, C, A plus B plus C, A, B. Now we can take outside A plus B plus C. Determinant 1, 1, 1, B, C, C, A, and A, B. Now open the determinant. Or other, നമുക്കൊന്നുകൂടി ചെയ്യാം. R1 changes to R1, sorry, R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. R1 changes to R1 minus R2 means 0, B minus C, C minus A. R2 changes to R2 minus R1, 0, C minus B, A minus C. And the third row now change 1, A, B. Now open outside A plus B plus C under. Now open the determinant. What we get? A plus B plus C into, we can open with the third row. Determinant, you can open with the third row. 1 into, that is B minus C into A minus C minus C minus B into C minus A. Now open the brackets. Open the brackets. That is A plus B plus C into AB minus CB minus CA plus C square minus of C square minus CA minus BC plus AB. That is A plus B plus C into AB minus BC minus AC. Plus C square and minus C square are cancelled while opening the brackets. And plus CA plus BC minus AB. Zero. എവിടെയെങ്കിലും മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് പറ്റിയോ? B minus C into A minus.
Miss R1 changes to R1 minus R2.
R2
അപ്പൊ ചെയ്തപ്പോ B minus 2C ആണല്ലേ വന്നത്?
നമുക്കൊന്നുകൂടി ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. വെയിറ്റ്, ഞാനത് റേസ് ചെയ്തു. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണോ കിട്ടിയത്? 0 നോട്ട് ദ കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. ഐ തിങ്ക് ഏതോ ഒരു ലെറ്റർ അവിടെ മാറി. ഇതിന് മുമ്പുള്ള സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എന്തായിരുന്നു? ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് 1BC 1CA 1AB ആയിരുന്നു. R2 changes to R2 minus Yeah, R2 minus R3 ചെയ്താൽ മതി കേട്ടോ. ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we get 0. R2 changes to R2 minus R3. R2 changes to R2 minus R3. So 1 minus 1, 0. This is C minus A. C minus A and A minus B. Now open the brackets. Open the determinant. That is A plus B plus C into B minus C into A minus B minus C minus A into C minus A. That is C minus A the whole square. That is A plus B plus C into AB minus B square minus AC plus BC minus of C minus A the whole square, C square plus A square minus 2CA. That is A plus B plus C into AB minus AC plus BC minus B square minus C square minus A square plus 2AC. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Anyone? Now, what is the next step, Parvati?
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഒരു സ്ഥലത്ത് തെറ്റി.
We can take minus on outside. So minus of A plus B plus C equal to minus of A plus B plus C plus A square plus B square plus C square. You can take the minus outside. And here it is minus AB and minus BC. What is minus AC plus 2AC? Here a minus AC and plus 2AC. A plus AC. Now, if we take the negative outside, that is minus AC. So this is the final minus of A plus B plus C. Now, given that A plus B plus C equal to 4 and AB plus BC plus AC equal to 0. That is here minus of A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus of AB plus BC plus AC. So this is minus 4 into, given that A plus B plus C is 4, minus 4 into A square plus B square plus C square. This is 0. So we get minus 4 into A square plus B square plus C square. Now, what is A square plus B square plus C square, or how we can find that?
A plus B plus C the whole square.
Yeah, given that A plus B plus C the whole equal to 4. നമുക്കൊരു equation തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. A plus B plus C equal to 4. Square on the both side. That is, what is the formula for A plus B plus C the whole square? What is A plus B plus C the whole square? Anyone?
A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC.
Yeah. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus AC, which is equal to 16. Here it is given that 0. So what is A square plus B square plus C square? 16. So answer minus 4 into 16. Minus 64. Minus 64. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
So the next question. Number of integer values of k for which the equation 2 sin x is equal to 2k plus 1 has a solution. Number of integer values of k. Two sin x equal to 2k plus 1. Two sin x is equal to 2k plus 1. So we need to solve the equation. We know that sin x lies between -1 and +1, right? Sin x lies between -1 and +1. Now, 2 sin x lies between
-2 and 2.
-2 and 2, right? What is 2 sin x here? 2k plus 1. That is -2 less than or equal to 2k plus 1 less than or is equal to 2. We need the value of k. How we can solve? Subtract 1 throughout. -3 less than or equal to 2k less than or equal to 1. -3 by 2 less than or equal to k less than or equal to 1 by 2. That is -1.5 less than or equal to k less than or equal to 0.5. We need to find the integer values of k. How many integer values of k?
Only one.
2 values, right? K is equal to -1 and 0. K equal to -1 and 0. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Now the next question. If A1, A2, A3, etc., A9 are in GP, then what is the value of the following determinant? Determinant log A1, log A2, log A3, log A4, log A5, log A6, log A7, log A8, log A9. We need the value. Given that A1, A2, A3, etc., A9 are in GP. That means first term is A. A2 can be written as AR. A3 can be written as AR square. And up to A9, AR raised to 8. So you can replace A1, A2, etc., A9 with the common ratio terms. That is, first term log A. First term is A. Second term log AR. Third term log AR square, log AR cube, log AR raised to 4, log AR raised to 5, like that. AR raised to 6, log AR raised to 7, log AR raised to 8. Now, what is the next step? What is the next step? Listen, log A, log AR can be written as, what is log of AB?
Log A plus
Log A
log.
plus log B.
Yeah, log A plus log B. That is log A plus log R. Like that, here log of AR square. Log of AR square means 2 log A, 2 log of AR. That can be written as log A plus 2 log R. Is it right? Since എല്ലാ ടേമിലും ഒരു ലോഗ് എ എടുത്തിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് പുറത്തേക്ക് എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. Can be written as log A plus 2 log R. Is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, like that. What is the second row? Second row.
Log A plus 3 log R.
Correct. Log A plus 3 log R. Here, log A plus 4 log R. Log A plus 5 log R. Here, log A plus 6 log R. Log A plus 7 log R. Log A plus 8 log R. Now what is the next step? What is the next step? What is the next step?
Log and what?
Log A can be taken outside, okay? Log A can be taken outside, remaining 1 log A from each column. Right? Log A the whole cube എന്ന് വരും. ആ ഒരു സ്റ്റെപ്പ് സ്കിപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അടുത്ത സ്റ്റെപ്പ് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. What is the next step? C2 changes to, while C2 changes to C2 minus C1 and C3 changes to C3 minus C2. എന്ത് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും? C2, C1 remains unchanged. C1 remains unchanged. That means നമുക്ക് log A plus 3 log R, log A plus 6 log R. C2 changes to C2 minus C1. So log A minus log A are cancelled. We get log R, right? Log R. Here log A and log A are cancelled. 4 log R minus 3 log R, again log R. Here also log R. And on the third column, same thing. While subtract C3 minus C2, log R, and log R. That means 2 columns are same. The value of the determinant is 0. If any 2 columns or rows are identical, value of the determinant will be 0. Okay.
ചേച്ചി ഒന്നും
Yes. Vaishnavi clear അല്ല.
ലോഗാർ എങ്ങനെ കോമൺ ആയി വന്നെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞൊരു
Log 4 എങ്ങനെ?
ലോഗാർ അതായത്
Okay, listen. We apply C2 minus C1. C2 minus C1, the second column, log A plus log R minus log A. Minus log A and plus log A are cancelled, log R. Similarly, second term, log A plus 4 log R minus log A plus 3 log R. 4 log R minus 3 log R, log R. Like that. Clear? Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? Any doubt? No. Next question. If the roots of the quadratic equation, x square plus 2x plus k are real, then roots are real, then discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. If the roots are real and distinct, discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. Now solve.
Option D.
Right. K less than or equal to 1. Since discriminant greater than or equal to 0, B square minus 4AC greater than or equal to 0. That is 4 greater than or equal to 4K, 1 greater than or equal to K. That means D. Next question. If n equal to 100 factorial, what is the value of the following? N equal to 100 factorial. What is the value of 1 divided by log n to the base 2 plus 1 divided by log n to the base 3, etc. 1 divided by log n to the base 100. How we can solve? What is 1 by log a to the base b? 1 by log a to the base b. What is log a to the base b? Log a by log b, right? So 1 by, that means log b by
Log A.
log a. That is log b to the base a, right? So here we can write it as log 2 to the base n plus log 3 to the base n, log 4 to the base n up to log n to the base, 100 to the base n. Now the bases are same, log a plus log b plus log bc. What is the formula? Log of log a plus log b is what?
Log AB.
Log AB. So here log 2 into 3 into 4 into etc. up to 100. This is the 100 factorial. Log of 100 factorial. Given that n is also 100 factorial. So base is also same. If the base and the number are same, answer 1. Okay. Clear?
Yes, miss.
So the next question.
മിസ് ഒന്നുകൂടി പറഞ്ഞുതരും.
ആരാണത്? ആരാ ചോദിച്ചേ?
ഋത്വിക.
Okay. Listen. Given that 1 by log n to the base 2, 1 by log n to the base 3 up to 1 by log n to the 100. We know that log a to the base b is equal to log a by log b. So 1 by log a to the base b, we want to take the reciprocal. That is log b by log a. Log a by b endana log a to the base b. Then log b by a is what? Log b to the base a. So we can reverse. 1 by log n to the base 2 is log 2 to the base n, log 3 to the base n, up to log 100 to the base n. Now the bases are same. So we can use the property log a plus log b plus log c like that. That is log of a into b into c. Here log 2 into 3 into up to 100 to the base n. Now what is what? Here 1 and assume 1 into 2 into 3 etc. up to 100 factorial to the base n. N is given that 100 factorial. So if the base and the number are same, answer 1. Base and exponent are same. Okay. Kritika.
Yes, miss. Thank you.
Clear ആയോ?
Yes, miss.
ഈ ഫോർമുല ആയിരിക്കും കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ അല്ലേ?
അല്ല, എനിക്ക് അവസാനത്തെ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് മനസ്സിലാവാതെ 100 ഫാക്ടോറിയൽ.
1 into 2 into 3 into etc. up to 100, that is 100 factorial. Okay. 1 ഉണ്ടെന്ന് assume ചെയ്യാം. 1 ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഇല്ലെങ്കിലും no problem. Now the next question. If z is equal to 1 plus I, then what is the modulus of z plus 2 by z? What is Here z equal to 1 plus I. So mod z is what?
Root of 1 square plus
Root of 1 square plus 1 square root 2. Here we need to find mod of z plus 2 by z. Mod can be splitted. Mod z plus mod of 2 by z. That is mod z plus mod 2, that is 2. Mod z. Now solve. Or directly you can find z plus 2 by z is what? അങ്ങനെയും ചെയ്യാം. No problem. Okay. ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാം. Z is equal to 1 plus I. So 2 by z is what? 2 by 1 plus I. Here we need to multiply with the conjugate. That is 2 minus 2i, and on the denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 square minus I square, that is 2. So we get 1 minus I. 1 minus I. Now z plus 2 by z. Z is 1 plus I. And 2 by z, 1 minus I. So we get 2. So modulus of z plus 2 by z is what? Mod 2. That is 2. Answer 2. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Now the next question. Any doubt, anyone?
ചേച്ചി മറ്റൊരു രീതിക്ക് കൂടി ചെയ്തു തരുമോ? മറ്റേ
എന്തോ?
മോഡുലസ് സെറ്റ് പ്ലസ് മോഡുലസ് ഓഫ് 2 by z വെച്ച് ചെയ്തെന്നല്ലേ ആദ്യം ചേച്ചി ചെയ്തില്ലേ?
ആ,
അത് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഒന്നുകൊണ്ടും ചെയ്തു തരുമോ?
അത് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. ആക്ച്വലി അത് കിട്ടേണ്ടതാണ്, കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. കാരണം എന്താ വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മോഡ് ഓഫ് z1 പ്ലസ് z2 ലെസ് ദാൻ ഓർ ഈക്വൽ ടു മോഡ് z1 പ്ലസ് മോഡ് z2 ആണ്. അപ്പൊ അവിടെ ഈക്വൽ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മളവിടെ 2 by z മാത്രമാണ് വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ മോഡ് 2 by മോഡ് z. This is we can use. Now the question number 11. If A and B are two matrices such that AB is of order n by n, then which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? A and B are two square matrices of order. A and B are two matrices. AB is of order n by n. Which of the following is correct? A and B should be square matrices of same order. No.
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 No, not necessary. Correct. That is, suppose A or 2 by 3 and B or 3 by 1. Now we can 3 by 2. We can multiply and we get AB as a 2 by 2 or square matrix item, but need not be necessary that A and B are square matrices. About option A, not right. Now what about the second option? Either A or B should be a square matrix. No.
No.
We can use this example. No, both A and B should be of same order.
No.
No. Order of A and B need not be the same. That is the correct. Order of A and B need not be the same. So next question. Question number 12. How many matrices of different orders are possible with elements comprising all prime numbers less than 30? So we should use all prime numbers less than 30 to construct the matrix. Prime number less than 30. Prime less than 30. That are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. These numbers we can use to construct the matrix. Now, how many possible ordered matrix are there? Different orders are possible. How many elements are there?
10.
10.
10 elements are there. So, since there are 10 elements, how many orders are possible?
5 by 2.
5 by 2.
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
1 by 10.
1 by 10.
10 by 1.
10 by 1. 4. Now the next question. P, Q, R, S are any four different prime less than 20. Prime less than 20. That means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 70. Primes and 90. Prime less than 20. So A is a determinant with PQRS. The four entries are primes. What is the maximum value of the determinant? How we get the maximum value? Determinant means here P, Q, R, S, then determinant PS minus RQ. PS minus RQ. We need the maximum value. That means PS is a large number and QR is the smaller number. Then we get the maximum possible answer. Right? How we can choose that? P and S can be chosen as 17 and 19, the largest primes, right? 17 and 19, P and S. And RQ, the smallest primes, 2 and 3. Now what is the answer?
Ma'am, option C.
Option C, 370, right. Now the next question. Question number 14. A and B are square matrices of order 2 such that determinant of AB equal to determinant of BA. Then which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? A must be a unique matrix. A must be a unique matrix.
No.
No, not need. Then option B. B must be a unique matrix.
No.
No. Both A and B must be a unique matrix. No. A and B need not be a unit matrices. Option D.
Ma'am,
Yes.
പക്ഷെ രണ്ട് യൂണിറ്റ് മെട്രിക്സും ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് യൂണിറ്റ് മെട്രിക്സ് തന്നെ കിട്ടില്ലേ? എ ബി രണ്ട് യൂണിറ്റ് മെട്രിക്സ് കിട്ടും.
അത് കിട്ടും. യൂണിറ്റ് മെട്രിക്സ്
അതായത് എയും ബിയും രണ്ട് യൂണിറ്റ് മെട്രിക്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ രണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ സെയിം തന്നെയല്ലേ കിട്ടുന്നത്? യൂണിറ്റ് മെട്രിക്സ് തന്നെയല്ലേ കിട്ടുന്നത്?
ഇവിടെ അഡീഷൻ അല്ലല്ലോ, മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ അല്ലേ? എ ബി ആൻഡ് ബി എ. ഐ സ്ക്വയർ ഐ തന്നെയാണ് വരിക, ശരിയാണ്. പക്ഷെ ഓൾവേസ് ട്രൂ ആയിട്ടുള്ളതാണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. Next question. What is cot 2x into cot 4x minus cot 4x cot 6x plus cot 6x cot 2x? Yes, how we can solve?
ചേച്ചി cot 6x നെ cot 4x plus 2x ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Clear ആവുന്നല്ലോ വിഷ്ണു?
cot 6x നെ cot 4x plus 2x എന്നിട്ട് ഇക്വേഷൻ ഇട്ടിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ലേ?
ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, അതിനു മുമ്പ് ഈ കോട്ട് 6x എന്താണെന്നൊന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചേ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് കോട്ട് 6x? അത് ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഏകദേശം ഒരു ആൻസറിലേക്ക് വരും. കോട്ട് 6x വൈഷ്ണവി പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ കോട്ട് ഓഫ് 2x plus 4x. What is cot a plus cot b? Sorry, cot of a plus b. എന്തായിരുന്നു വൈഷ്ണവി? കോട്ട് ഓഫ് a plus b.
cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot.
Correct. Cot b cot a minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. So here cot 4x cot 2x minus 1 by cot 2x plus cot 4x, right? This is equal to cot 6x. Now you can cross multiply. Cross multiply you. Cot 6x cot 2x plus cot 6x cot 4x equal to cot 4x cot 2x minus 1. From here we get the answer.
മാം 1 അല്ലേ ഉത്തരം?
Yeah, 1. Right. We can rearrange cot 4x cot 2x and we can carry to the two terms in the left side to right side. Minus cot 6x cot 4x minus cot 6x cot 2x is equal to 1. Okay. Clear?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Tan x equal to minus 3 by 4, x is in the second quadrant, then the what is the value of sin x into cos x? Very simple. Tan x 3 by 4, so opposite side 3, adjacent side 4 and hypotenuse 5. Tan x, x is in the second quadrant. On the second quadrant only sin and cosec are positive and sin x is what? Sin x is 3 by 5. Cos x is minus 4 by 5. So the answer minus
12 by 25.
minus 12 by 25, right? Next question. What is the value of the following? Cosec 7 pi by 6 into sec 5 pi by 3. Cosec 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6, that is pi plus pi by 6. Sec 5 pi by 3. 2 pi minus pi by 3. And what is cosec pi plus pi by 6?
Pi by 6 cosec pi by 6
Minus cosec pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6 on the third quadrant. So minus cosec pi by 6 into sec 2 pi minus pi by 3. Sec pi by 3, right? On the fourth quadrant, sec is positive. So minus cosec pi by 6, the reciprocal of sin 30. 2 sec 60. That is also 2. Answer -4. Okay. Next question. If the determinant equal to 0, then what is x? Homework symbol. Now, question number 19. What is the value of the following? Tan 31, tan 33, etc. up to tan 59. How we can solve? Tan 59. 1 answer. Yes. Tan 59 can be written as tan of 90 minus 31. 59, that is 90 minus 31. 57, 90 minus 33. So here tan 31, tan 33, etc. Here it is cot 33, cot 31. From the middle, നമുക്ക് കോട്ടിലേക്ക് മാറ്റാം. So every term is cancelled. We get 1. Final answer, that is 1. Next question. If f of x is equal to determinant 1x plus 1, 2x x into x minus 1 like that, then what is f of minus 1, f of 0 plus f of 1? How we can find f of minus 1? Put x is equal to minus 1, right? Put x is equal to minus 1. Since it is f of x, f of minus 1 is when x is equal to minus 1. That is 1 minus 1, 0, minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2. That is 2, minus 1 plus 1, 0. And here 3 into minus 2, minus 3, 6. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 3 into 2. That is 12. It is 0. So the value of f of minus 1 is 0. Like that, what is f of 0? F of 0 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, and 1, 0, 0. This is also 0. Same columns. And f of 1. 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0. This is also 0. The two columns are same. So the answer, final answer, 0. Okay. Clear?
Yes, please.
Balance questions next class. Thank you.
Thank you.